Hey guys, welcome back to Shruti Arts. Thank you for joining us in today's video. So in this video we are going to paint this drawing. As you can see, I have drawn this freehand outline. If you haven't checked out my earlier video in which I have shown in detail that how you can draw freehand outline, you can go and check it out. So let me tell you that I'm going to use acrylic colors and brushes, and also I'm going to mix all my paints in this dishes, by which you will get which color I'm going to mix and make my perfect shade for the drawing. So as you can see, I have drawn all the borders over here, all the outlines, and now in this video I'm going to paint this up. So if you like the video and the drawing, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Shruti Arts for more videos like this. And after completing 1000 subscribers, I am also going to paint 2 of my subscribers. So make sure to complete 1000 subscribers by subscribing us, that is Shruti Arts. So now let's begin our painting and see how it works and how to do it. So now I'm going to start off with this ochre color, and what I'm going to do is just pour it in the plate, and make sure you also pay your attention to the plate because I am going to mix this color, so you should know what colors I'm mixing. So I'm just going to take this ochre color a bit and pour it on my mixing plate. And first of all, I am going to start up with the skin, that is skin of this whole girl, like all the hands, shoulders, and also neck and face. So make sure you wash it carefully. So as you can see over here, I'm just grabbing a brush and taking some ochre color in my plate. So let's just take it out and let's see what next color I want to pick up. So now the next color is white color. I'm going to pour some white color in my coloring plate, by which I can make lighter shades of my colors. And also this painting was turned out really pretty and like really gorgeous. You can use it as a wall decor. As I said, this is a DIY canvas painting. So let's see what's next step you want to do. So as I have ochre color in my mixing plate, I just want a lighter color which looks like skin color. For that I am going to mix this ochre color and white color to make a lighter shade of it. So let's do it and see how it turns out. So as I have mixed all this color, that is ochre color and white color, now I am going to use it for my painting. I am going to grab this brush and just start painting from the forehead. As after completing forehead, we will go all the parts step by step, so don't skip the video at all. So as you can see over here, I am just going to nicely just paint this up, and after that I'm also going to add some depth from the darker color with the darker color, that is this ochre color. And as much you add the depth and the highlights, your drawing gets realistic, looks realistic, and also adds some realism to your painting. So make sure you add all the things nicely as I'm doing, and this will turn out really gorgeous. So as you can see over here, I am just going to fill some darker areas first, like over here the cheeks and also the jawline and all. So what I'm going to do, as if you have a reference, use a reference. And as you can see, I'm just going to fill all the darker shades, darker areas with this dark color. And after that I'm just going to use the lighter shade and fill up all the space. So let me show you that how we have to work on it. So in the middle of the forehead there is light or highlight. So for that I am using this lighter color. And don't worry, just trust the process, you will get into it, because in canvas painting, basically at starting the drawing doesn't, or the painting doesn't look gorgeous, but at the end, after completing all the things, giving some finishing touches, you will be complete all the drawing. After painting it, you will be totally satisfied with it. So just trust the process and follow as I'm doing it. So as you can see, I have made this darker shade by using this brown or ochre color and mixing it with some black color. So this will be the darkest shade of my skin tone, and I will use it in the most darkest areas of my face. And now using a clean and dry brush, I'm just going to blend this up, which will add some more realism to my drawing. And in this painting you should have a lot of patience, so just be patient and do it slowly. So let's see. So now I have added some white color to my ochre color, and here you go, you can see this light beautiful skin tone shade. So I will do the same, apply this to the lightest part of my skin, and after that blend it out with help of a brush. So let's complete all the skin.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers who you know how we do. It's for me to say. Go with the brothers who you know how we do.
So as I have completed the skin, now it's time for the eyebrows. So for that I am using this small brush and using brown and black color. I am just filling my eyebrows. So let's just complete this eyebrow.
It's not for me to say you love.
So now with the same process I am going to complete my other part, that is my eyes, my nose and lips. So just pay attention on my color mixing and follow my steps. You will get how I am doing it. So let's just finish this part, and after that I am going to show you that how you have to do the hairs.
It's not for me to say. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love.
So I have mixed some black and brown color for my hairs, and first of all I'm going to fill all my hair outline with all this black color. So let's finish this and see what's the next step.
Go with the brothers who you know how
So now by adding some white color to my black, I just made here a gray color, and I'm going to use this for my highlights of the hair. And as these hairs are curly, so I'm just adding a bit effects to it, by which it will look a kind of a curly hairs. So just follow my steps and we will complete the hairs.
It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
So I'm using red color for her dress, and I'm also going to use a darker red, by which I will do some of my darker area of the dress. So for the darker red shade, you will just add a bit of black in it. Just don't make it brown, just make it a kind of darker and dull, and after that you will use it at the corners as I'm doing and complete the dress. So for the background, I'm going to use this blood red color. For that I have just added a bit of black in my red and just complete all this circle, that is outer circle, with this red color. And for the inner circle, I am using this white color. And I have just drawn these small strands of curly hairs with help of a marker and some pencils.
it's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Shruti Art. So this is how the painting looks like. I hope you like it.